Cash app notifications, ChatGPT screen, young person working on laptop. ChatGPT isn't just for homework or fun, it's making people hundreds of dollars a day. And the best part, you don't need money, followers, or even experience. Here's exactly how to make your first $100 a day using just ChatGPT. Part 1. Understand the game. Basic ChatGPT interface, freelancer dashboards, faceless content. Let's get one thing straight. ChatGPT isn't a magic ATM, it's a tool, a leverage machine. Just like Bill Gates used code to scale, and Elon Musk uses engineering to disrupt industries, you'll use ChatGPT to save time, create value, and get paid. You're not just typing prompts, you're selling outcomes. Method 1. Write social media content for small businesses. ChatGPT generating Instagram captions, Twitter threads, Facebook posts. Every small business wants to post on social media, but no one has time to write content. That's where you come in. Here's how. Go to ChatGPT, prompt, write 7 engaging Instagram captions for a restaurant, gym, real estate brand. Boom, you've just saved someone 2 to 3 hours. Reach out to businesses on Instagram. Hey, I write AI-powered content for small brands. Want 1 week of posts, free sample? Close them for $100 a week. Just 1 to 2 clients, $100 a day. Method 2. Resume and cover letter services. Resume templates, ChatGPT formatting text, Fiverr resume gigs. Unemployed people are everywhere, and they're desperate for good resumes. ChatGPT can generate entire resumes and cover letters in seconds. Prompt: write a professional resume for a marketing graduate with no experience. Or write a cover letter applying for a remote customer support job. Post your gig on Fiverr, Facebook job groups. Reddit charge $25–50 per resume. 2 to 4 clients per day. 100 plus. Method 3. Freelance blog posts or product descriptions. Blogs, e-commerce sites, SEO content generation. E-commerce sellers and bloggers constantly need content. ChatGPT can write blog posts, SEO articles, and product descriptions in minutes. Offer 5 SEO blog posts for $100. 10 product descriptions for your Amazon or Shopify store. Sites to find clients. Upwork, Contra, Twitter DMs, Facebook business groups. Pro tip: use Perplexity. AI plus ChatGPT together for fact-checked, clean content. Method 4. YouTube script writing for creators. YouTube channels, ChatGPT generating video scripts. YouTubers need content, but not all of them have time to write. Use ChatGPT to outline, write hooks, create full scripts like this one. Prompt example: write a YouTube script for 5 AI tools that will make you rich in 2025. Tone: professional, YouTube-friendly, 8 minutes. Offer script writing on Fiverr, cold DMs, freelancer.com. Charge $50–100 script. Easy to hit $100 a day with just 1 client. Method 5. Content repurposing agency. Long podcast, clips, tweets, Instagram captions. This is how creators scale, and you can be the AI engine behind it. Watch what they post on YouTube. Use ChatGPT to turn long videos into TikToks. Extract 10 quote tweets. Write captions and emails. Reach out to creators offering full repurposing packages. You do the work in 2 hours using AI. Charge $100 a day or more easily. You with 100-day notifications, scaling your setup, building business with AI. ChatGPT won't make you rich overnight, but it gives you the tools to become faster, smarter, and more valuable than 99% of people online. You don't need experience, just hustle, consistency, and smart prompts. If you're serious about making money with AI, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments, which method are you starting with today? And subscribe and get rich with me.